CloudScreen is IDS's proprietary digital signage software that solves so many problems for people needing to put together presentations with a variety of looks that they can play from the internet. And again, CloudScreen is digital signage software that you put together layouts in your dashboard, you publish them, get a URL, and you can send that to people, and they can view your digital signage layouts on any device with a browser, which is every device. But this story was kind of cool because my wife was and this was back when we were called CSRA Multimedia. So she was participating in a women's lifestyle expo near home. And there were four ladies, and the organization that they belonged to were sharing a table. That's a lot of stuff that to have to put out in one place if you're doing displays and everybody wants to show a little slideshow about what they're doing. Your normal, you usually got two things to do. You either put together one big honking PowerPoint thing that you take turns flipping through to get to your pages, or you have in this case, five separate displays, which they didn't have enough table real estate to do that. So they were kind of stuck, but I got to thinking about CloudScreen, and I also took the showcase over, our tabletop display. I put together a layout in CloudScreen that allowed them each to have a slideshow that I had them put together for me, or we helped some of them put theirs together. But all five of them could independently go through and talk about their business. As somebody came up to the table that might need some senior care, Karen could talk about active seniors and what they could do to help with aging relatives. Kim could talk about, LuLaRoe and the cool clothing that they have for people. Abigail could talk about either the organization that they all belong to and what it did to help empower women, or Abigail could talk about her marketing and branding business. And then finally, Sherry, my wife, was able to talk about the media conversion work that we do. And again, these are five different presentations on the same interactive screen that any one of them could walk over to and talk to a client about. So try doing that any other way. I mean, this was just incredibly powerful example of what CloudScreen could do, and just an incredibly useful way for them to be able to maximize the efficiency. You had one 24-inch touchscreen in the middle of the table, and then they could all have a little piece of the table to have their stuff on besides that. So it was just a wonderful example of what CloudScreen could do. And if you really wanted to take it so people could see your stuff alone, you could stretch and then pinch the display back to normal. CloudScreen and creativity can take you a long way. An IDS exclusive.